Mild-mannered Greg sneezed so loudly during a live-streamed office meetings that his microphone glitched, producing a bizarre melodic sound. The clip went viral overnight, with people dubbing it the Sneezing Symphony. Soon, musicians remixed it, teenagers danced to it, and tech companies begged Greg for rights. The misunderstanding? Everyone thought Greg was a genius composer. The twist? Greg licensed his sneeze, earning a fortune in royalties, and now lives comfortably, despite still being allergic to cats.